Kia ora and welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at ways that your students can record their learning in the game, specifically the camera, portfolio, and book and quill. In the last video, we looked briefly at chalkboards. These can also be used by students to communicate information about work they have done in Minecraft. Check out the video on special blocks to see how they work. The first item that we're going to check out is the camera. This works in conjunction with the portfolio. When you take a picture, it is saved into the portfolio. You can find the camera in the Item tab of the Creative Inventory. You take pictures with the camera by equipping it in your hand and then right-clicking and holding down the mouse button. The screen will go into a letterbox mode. You can frame your picture and then, when you release the mouse button, the camera will take a picture. Let's take a few more. You can also place the camera in the world to take selfie images. Right-click to place the camera and then right-click it again to activate it. The camera will start a timer and blink. Then after 5 seconds, it will take a picture and then disappear. If you move around while it is counting down, the camera will track you. If you want to take a picture of something on the ground, hold down the Shift key on the keyboard before right-clicking to prevent the camera from being placed. To view your pictures, you'll need a portfolio. This can also be found in the Creative Inventory under the Item tab. To view your pictures, equip it in your hand and right-click. You can add captions to your photos. Just click on the caption placeholder and type in your text. Use the arrows on the sides of the pages to look at your other images. Use the trash icon to delete images. You can export the portfolio with captions included as a PDF file by clicking the Export Portfolio button. Choose a location to save the file. By default, the files are named with the student's login name, the world, and the date, so you as teachers know whose file is whose. The final item that can be used to record student learning is the book and quill, again found in the Item tab of the Creative Inventory. To edit a book, right-click it. The pages of the book give you much more scope to enter text, up to 50 pages. You are not limited to typing, and you can copy and paste text from other sources into the book. Once text has been added, editing it can be a bit of a pain, as you cannot position the cursor by clicking with the mouse. You need to use the arrow keys to get to the words you want to change or add. Clicking the pencil button at the bottom of the page brings up some options. You can delete pages with the trash icon, add pages if there are less than 50, and move text to a different page with the paper arrow buttons. If you have images in your portfolio, you can insert them into the book. Once you have finished editing your book and you want to export it, you need to sign the book. To do this, click the Sign button. Once signed, you can no longer edit the book, so make sure there are no mistakes. Give the book a title and then click the Sign and Close button. The book and quill changes to an enchanted book. To read the book, right-click it. Once opened, you can export the book as a PDF. The player name is appended to the book title again. Choose a file location to save the book. Close the book by pressing the X button or hitting the Escape key on the keyboard. In the next and final part of this module, we'll look at some of the other ways to export content from Minecraft.